Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video is going to completely change how you create AI videos, because what I'm about to show you will help you generate high-quality AI videos using powerful tools without needing expensive software or complicated setups. So in this video, I'm going to show you a smarter way. I've found 3 powerful websites that let you create high-quality AI videos without paying anything. No complicated setup, no confusing steps, just simple tools that actually work. And the best part? I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, including the exact settings I use, so you can follow along and get the same results. Just take a look at the clips on your screen right now. These videos weren't made by professionals or expensive software. They were created in minutes using the tools I'm about to show you. The visuals, the motion, the quality, it's honestly impressive for something that's completely free. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because even a small setting can make a huge difference in your final result. Now, let's jump straight into the first website. The first tool we are using is Slop Club. It is a powerful AI platform that lets you generate high-quality videos using advanced AI models in just a few clicks. Step 1. Open the website and sign up. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for Slop Club and click on the first result to open the website. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and create an account. You can simply sign up using your Gmail, so the process is quick and easy. After logging in, you'll land on a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Here, you'll see a gallery of sample videos that give you an idea of what this platform can create. Now, here's something important. This platform gives you access to multiple advanced AI models for both video and image generation. You can also see exactly how many credits each model uses per generation. Step 2. Create your first video. Now let's create our first video. Take your prompt and paste it into the text box. Then move to the settings. For this example, we'll use text-to-video mode. Next, choose your aspect ratio. I recommend 16:9 for a cinematic YouTube-style video, but you can switch to vertical if you're creating shorts or reels. Now select your AI model from the list. I'll choose a high-quality model here. You'll also see exactly how many credits it will cost before generating. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. As you can see, the quality, motion, and detail are very impressive. And in many cases, it even includes audio, which makes it even more powerful. Let's test it one more time with a different prompt. And again, the result looks clean, smooth, and visually strong. Now, here's something to keep in mind. After generating a few videos, you may reach a limit and see a message asking for a subscription. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just sing out and log in with another Gmail and the credit will reset. The second tool we are using is Digen AI. This is an experimental platform where developers let you test the most expensive AI models for free to gather data. Step 1. Sign up and log in. When you arrive at Digen AI, open the website and click on the Sign Up Login button. Now simply use your Gmail account to register. The process is very fast and doesn't require any complicated verification steps. Once you successfully log in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all features of the platform are available. Step 2. Open Leaderboard section. Now look at the top menu or side panel and click on Leaderboard. This section is very important because it gives you access to all the top AI models currently available for testing. Inside here, you will find models like VO, Kling, Seed Dance, and Grok Imagine. These are some of the most advanced AI video models being tested right now. Since this is an experimental platform, you don't get deep control over settings like Slop Club, but the advantage is that everything is completely free to use. Step 3. Create your first video. First, click on New Chat to start a fresh session. This helps keep your generation organized and prevents mixing with previous prompts. Once the new chat opens, select Video Generation from the available options. Now take your prompt, for example, a floating island in the sky with waterfalls flowing upward and glowing wildlife moving through the air. Fantasy cinematic scene. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The system will now start processing your request. Depending on the complexity, it may take a few moments to complete, so just wait patiently. After you click Generate, sometimes the platform may look stuck, or the progress bar may stop moving. Don't worry, this is completely normal for Arena AI. If that happens, just refresh the page once. In most cases, your video is already generated and waiting in the background. Step 4. View results. Once your video loads, you'll notice something very powerful. Arena AI usually generates 2 different variations of the same prompt at the same time, which allows you to compare and choose the best one. The output quality is extremely high cinematic visuals, smooth motion, and in many cases, even audio and dialogue integration. You can generate multiple videos continuously without hitting strict limits. In my testing, I was able to create around 6 to 8 videos back-to-back without issues. If you eventually hit a limit, the simple workaround is to switch to another Gmail account and continue generating. Overall, Arena AI is a very generous platform and one of the best free tools for experimenting with AI video generation. The third tool we are using is Digen AI. This is designed for creators who want ultra-polished, professional-grade video output that looks like studio-level production. Step 1. Open the website and sign up. Go to Google and search for Digen AI. Open the official website from the search results. You can also download the app if you prefer mobile use, but the browser version works perfectly for most users. Once you open the platform, click on the Sign Up or Login option and complete the registration process. Step 2. Log in and explore dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on a clean and professional dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is a collection of high-quality templates and sample videos. These are very useful because they show you exactly what kind of results the platform can generate. As you scroll through them, you'll see different styles like cinematic scenes, animated storytelling clips, realistic motion videos, and creative AI-generated visuals. This helps you understand what direction you want to take before creating your own video. You will also notice that the platform uses advanced models like Sora 2 and Veo 3, which are designed for smooth motion, high detail, and professional-grade output quality. Step 3. Understand the credit system. Now pay close attention to the credit system because this is very important. When you sign up, you usually receive around 300 free credits immediately. These credits are enough to create roughly 8 to 12 high-quality videos, depending on the settings and model you choose. Each time you generate a video, credits are automatically deducted based on the complexity and model selection. This means you should plan your tests carefully if you want to try different styles and outputs. Step 4. Create your first video. Take your prompt and paste it into the input box. You can also improve your results by adding more detail in the prompt, such as motion style, lighting, camera movement, or atmosphere. Next, choose your aspect ratio depending on your platform. You can select 16:9 for YouTube cinematic videos or 9:16 for shorts and reels. After that, select the model. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The system will now start processing your request. It may take a few moments because it is rendering high-quality motion and frame consistency, so just wait patiently while it completes. When the video is ready, you will see a polished result with smooth transitions, clean colors, and professional animation that looks like it was made in a real production studio. So that's it for today's video. Using these 3 tools, Slop Club, Arena AI, and Digen AI, you now have everything you need to start creating high-quality AI videos without needing expensive software or complicated setups. Each tool has its own strength. Slop Club gives you control and advanced settings. Arena AI lets you test powerful models for free. And Digen AI delivers that professional, polished output that looks studio-made. Now it's your turn to actually start using them. Don't just watch, go test different prompts, try different styles, and experiment with what works best for your content. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'll be sharing more tools and hidden methods just like this. Thanks for watching, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.